Here we are, guys, working on the 69 Camaro, making some progress here. So basically, my buddy Ryan Ackerman has helped me rewire the whole car. So we're just terminating the ends and finishing up the rest of this stuff here. But yeah, so this year, again, all the headlights and all of the horn, all this other stuff is going to be working. So Ryan's been putting a lot of time in here, and got a piece of carbon fiber and computers mounted under the seat with some Zeus fasteners on the seat, and then we have the passenger seat, and we have all of the main wiring under the seat, so we can pop the seat out with a couple Zeuses and get to everything without having to climb under the dash. So we're working on integrating the Holley dash into the existing dash. I don't know if you can see here, but we got a piece of carbon fiber, and we have the fire system and the master power kill built into the dash, so that dash cover goes over that. And then we got brake switches and everything on there, neutral safeties built in. We're going to redo the fire lines here from the fire system with aluminum and get rid of this other stuff and hide them under the seat. We're going to put the back seat back in, and it's got full interior, and dome light works now, and everything's coming together. We got that switch panel up top there, which will be the master control center. And then if you look back here, again, we got the E85 sensor built in. It's looking good. We got drive shaft speed sensor. We got a little panel back here for the fuel pumps. I can turn the pumps on and off whenever I want from the back of the car to pump fuel out if I want to change over when storing the car. We got the power cutoff built in inside the car here instead of hanging off the back. Got my little skull push button switch on and off here, little MacGyver shit. People can laugh at that. And getting there. So hopefully next weekend we'll have her running and start doing some dyno hits with the tune-up and get her ready for action.